Hi all, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss enum in TypeScript. So enum is simply a data types like number of string in TypeScript. So enum is used to define a set of named constants that are organized in a collections. So we'll check out with example. Suppose I need to create an object of employees. So here we have an object employee with employee ID, and department I have to mention statically here. So it will be department like software developer and administrator or HR department, like that department will be there. So there will be a condition like we have to check it out if the department is equal to some particular departments. For example, we need to find out if it is software developer, we have to print some messages here. In this case, but most of the case we will confuse like is it either capital S or small s, or the D will be capital, like that confusion will be there. So in this kind of situation, we'll use enum data types. So let me check the syntax. So how we are going to define this? We will use enum keyword. Then we'll define the name of the enum. And inside the bracket, we'll define the values. For example, it will be HR, software, admin. So now we define enum. So when we define an object, just we can use the, instead of static keyword, we can use the enum here. Just we have to use enum.name. It automatically fetch that value. So in this case, here we don't have to compare the static value. Here you can use the dynamic value. It will not confusion, right? So here we can use enum and compare that. It's little bit easy, no complication as compared to the static value, right? So just we'll run that. I already have an index and I have an app.js here. Just compile that and we'll refresh. We'll check the console. See, welcome to developer zone, right? So if it is HR department, you don't get that message. TypeScript is compiled. Just you have to refresh and check it out. See, we're not getting any message here. Hope you understood this. Just this is a simple concept. Enum is a data types in TypeScript. It's used to define a set of named constants that are organized in a collections. Thank you.